So here is the homework solutions, and you can put it on pause and check it against your homework. This one I'm going to do because many students miss this one. So when it says solve for t sub k, that means it's like x or y. That's just the way they write it a lot. It's just an introduction to a new way of writing a variable. When it says solve for that, it means put this by itself. So the way you would do it is look here, and this negative 273.15 needs to go to get this by itself. So I'm going to add 273.15 to both sides. So now I'm going to have the temperature, actually it's degrees Celsius, plus 273.15 equals, now this is by itself because they cancel, T sub K. And actually that's temperature in Kelvin. Okay, I'm going to work out a couple of these and then put the answers up for the rest. So this is changing from one equivalent fraction to the other one. So the only thing you can do to change a fraction to make it equal to another fraction is to multiply it by 1. You just have to choose the form of 1 that'll work. And the only way I can look is say, well, this is 3 times what is 12, and the answer is 4 and 4. So 2/3 is the same as 8/12. The only other one I want to look at, well, I'll look at this one here. The way to do this is to break this up into components. 5 is the same as 5 plus 1/3 plus 6 plus 3/4. So I'm going to add the whole numbers first, which is 11, and then I'm going to add the fractions. So I need to add 1/3 plus 3/4. To do that, I can't do it because the units are not the same, right? Those are thirds, those are fourths. So I can change them both into 12ths. Multiply by 3/3, and I get 9/12. Multiply by 4/4. And I get 4/12. So this is 11 plus 4/12 plus 9/12. So that's 11, and you don't add the units, 13/12. But this is more than 1, so I can regroup. 1 is 12/12. So I can make this 12 and 1/12. So I'm going to build the rest of these in. Okay, I completed these and I filled in the answers. So you want to check them. I would put this on pause and check your answers. You can put this on pause in a minute and check your work against the answers I put on. I just wanted to do this one because there's a lot of mistakes here. Yes, you can multiply the numerators and then multiply the denominators. But you're kind of missing an idea here. This number here, 3 divided by 3, is 1. 1 times 15/18 is 15/18. You can just cancel that 3/3. And now you can just reduce this, so it's easier to reduce smaller numbers, right? Common factor of 3, and I can reduce it again. So the answer would be 5/6 done this way, which is, I think, much easier.